Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a useful feature on Roblox, how to search for people. Whether you're looking to connect with friends or find new players, these simple steps will help you navigate the process smoothly. Let's get started. First, make sure you open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, look up at the top of the screen for the search bar icon. Go ahead and tap it to start your quest. Now it's time to type in the username of the person you're looking for. Be sure to enter the correct spelling to make your search easier. After you've entered the username, select the People category to filter the search results specifically to users. This will help you focus on finding the right person quickly. Finally, once you see the list of search results, just tap on the username of the person you want to view. This will take you directly to their profile, where you can check out their game stats, friends, and more. And that's it. You're all set to search for people on Roblox effortlessly. Remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks about your favorite games. Happy gaming!